Today, we compared two CUCKOO rice cookers to find the smarter buy. High pressure versus twin pressure sound similar, but performance differences matter. Let's break down design, cooking results, features, and real usability. First up is the CUCKOO High Pressure Rice Cooker, CRP P0609S. Its compact build targets everyday rice cooking without unnecessary complexity. Single high-pressure mode focuses on consistency and faster cooking. Controls are simple, readable, and easy for first-time users. It performs best with white rice and standard household portions. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to its non-stick inner pot. Noise levels stay moderate even during pressure release. This model prioritizes simplicity, speed, and consistent everyday results. Now let's see how the twin pressure model compares. This is the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, CRP RT0609FB. Twin pressure allows switching between high and non-pressure cooking modes. This adds flexibility for mixed grains, porridge, and specialty recipes. The control panel offers more presets without feeling overwhelming. Rice texture benefits from pressure choice depending on grain type. Non-pressure mode excels at delicate textures and slower cooking. Cleanup remains easy, though extra parts require slightly more attention. Noise levels stay controlled with smoother steam release overall. This model clearly targets users who want versatility and control. Now let's put both models into a final verdict. Twin pressure wins overall for flexibility, features, and broader cooking styles. Choose high pressure for simplicity, twin pressure for versatility and experimentation.